Innovation for waste minimization.
This is the new Becca Little Squirt paint gun cleaning system. The heart of the Little Squirt system is a 40-ounce hand-pumped pressurized spray gun cleaner with an insulated body and a deflector shield or splash guard. The sprayer has a preset nozzle and is intended for use with the heated water and Becca water wave additive with microfilm. Included in each shrink-wrapped Little Squirt are 2 bottles of water wave additive, enough to treat 10 gallons of water, which is about 96 cleanings. Also included is a 1 ounce measuring cup, which is the amount of water wave needed to treat 40 ounces of heated water. Numerous optional support accessories are available to improve the speed and effectiveness of the Little Squirt as a waterborne spray gun cleaning system. These include a cleaning station with a 2.5 gallon reservoir and attached splash absorbing pad, a large cleaning brush, and a tray for painters' cleaning tools. Another option is an air kit, which has 2 air hoses, one with the new design OSHA compliant blow-off pistol and adjustable airflow control, and the other hose with a Becca corrosion resistant power clean quick disconnect with adjustable airflow control. This protects the air passageways of the paint gun during the cleaning process and improves the effectiveness of the Little Squirt. We offer 2 different funnel kits, one for the drum application you see here, and one for the Becca H2O dry container seen in the next Becca video series. The next video is about our accessories and shows 3 heat options and how to recycle and reuse the cleaning solution over and over.
Innovation for waste minimization.